In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your TCL soundbar. There are many models and many different ways on how to do it. I'll show you two different ways and one of them will work. So if you have one of the latest one that has an LED bar on the top, what you need to do, step number one, is to turn off your soundbar. Make sure it's turned off or in standby mode. Whoops, sorry. Okay, now it's turned off. Then remove every single connected devices, okay, from the HDMI port, optical or USB port. Just keep the power cable in. Next, we'll have to hold the power button, the volume down button, the volume up button at the same time during 10 seconds until the LED bar on the top stops flashing. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm holding these three buttons and I will stay like that. The LED will start blinking after 10 seconds and I will only release once it has finished. Okay, it starts blinking. I will stay like that. It will do a small dance there. Perfect. Now you can release. The soundbar has been factory resetted. All you have to do at this point is to turn it on normally by pressing the power button. Sometimes it takes a few times, especially after a factory reset. Here we go. It's now turning on and you can use it by connecting it to your TV. When you have small issues with your soundbar, before doing a factory reset, I always suggest you unplug it from the power cable. So simply pull it, wait 2 minutes and plug it back. Many times when it's a software issue, this small trick will help you without having to do a factory reset. Now, if your soundbar is different than mine, maybe yours has a display on the front and this technique didn't work for you, what you can do is to turn off your TCL soundbar. Now, take the remote control of the TCL soundbar and hold the play pause button during 5 seconds. Okay, hold it like this and you're gonna get a menu appearing on the display where you'll be able to select factory reset and do it. This is not the model that works this way. It works the way I showed you, but some models you absolutely need to do this, especially if you have a display. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, comment down below. This is helping me. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.